Solid Edge's best-in-class simulation capabilities provide design engineers with powerful tools to help digitally validate their designs to build better products in less time by front-loading the simulation process. Improved visualization of the assembly connections allows users to clearly see what parts and faces are connected together. Harmonic studies allow the validation of vibration levels within a structure, allowing designers to ensure better dynamic characteristics in their products. The harmonic study can utilize the resonance frequencies from a previous modal study. Any of these frequencies can be added, along with the other appropriate inputs such as start and end frequencies and damping coefficient. When the study is solved, the different result cases can be viewed and clearly navigated. In addition, users can probe individual elements in the mesh to plot a graph which shows translation versus frequency. And of course, reports can be easily created to communicate the simulation results to a wider audience. These include all study properties, results, and saved graphs. For transient heat transfer studies, an adaptive results option fine-tunes the number of increments calculated, saving valuable solve time. Functions can be created to more accurately simulate the real-world operation of products. Much like with this motor, applying factors to different time increments. Thermal connectors also allow for the definition of thermal contact